What's going on, you guys? This is Ryan with DG Trailer Sales. I'm here to show you this bumper pull stock trailer. It is 13 feet up to this part right here, and then extra space in the front V-nose. This one does feature a side ramp going into the front section of the stock trailer. So the side ramp is 41 inches wide. Walking on up in. Nice and spacious in the front. All aluminum frame and structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor, spare tire. We got the slider in the rear. As well as the full rear gate. Kind of pulls in right there. Perfect for some show cows, goats, pigs. Couple horses. Can really use this trailer for anything. Has an escape door on the driver's side. Six foot, 8 inches tall. Really lightweight, easy to haul, can do everything.